Now we are going to solve the 30 very important questions for the NEET. Here is the first one is, which of the following is an incorrect statement? First is the mature sheep tube element possess a conspicuous nucleus and usual cytoplasmic organelles. Second is microbodies are present in both in plant and animal cells. Third is the perinuclear space forms a barrier between the materials present inside the nucleus and that of the cytoplasm. Fourth is the nuclear pores act as a passages for proteins and RNA molecule in both directions between nucleus and cytoplasm. The correct answer is mature sheep tube element possess a conspicuous nucleus and usually cytoplasmic organelles is the incorrect. Means mature sheep tubes having no nucleus. Next one is the amount of nutrients such as carbon, nitrogen, phosphorus and calcium present in the soil at any given time is referred as a standing state. Third question is, which of the following algae contains mannitol as reserve food material? Right answer is Ictocarpus. Fourth one is, in spite of interspecific competition in nature, which mechanism the competing species might have evolved for their survival? The correct answer is resource partitioning. Fifth one is, genera like Selaginella and Salvinia produce two kinds of spore such as plant are known as heterosporous. Sixth one is, the site of perceptions of light in plants during photosynthesis is leaf. Will be the answer. The plant follow different pathways in spores to environment or phases of life to form different kinds of structure. This ability is called plasticity. Now match the list with 1 with 2. Christie, all are correct. Christie is the infolding of mitochondria. Thylakoids is the flattened membranous sacs in the stomata of plastids. Centrosome is primary constriction chromosome. Cistern is disc-shaped sacs in Golgi apparatus. Ninth question is, again here is it is the match the list 1 with list 2. Here is also all are correct. Cohesion is mutual attraction among water molecules. Adhesions is attraction towards polar surface. Surface tension is more attraction in liquid phase. Guttation is water loss in liquid phase. 10th question is, DNA strand on a gel stained with ethidium bromide when viewed under UV radiation appears as bright orange band. 11th number is, the term used for transfer of pollen grains from anther of one plant to a stigma of different plant which during pollination bring genetically different type of pollen grains to a stigma is genogamy. 12th question is, which of the following algae produce carrageen? Means carrageen produced by red algae. Which of the following statement is not the correct? Pyramid of biomass in C is generally upright. In the equation GPP minus R is equal to NPP. R represents respirations losses. GPP means gross primary product, NPP net primary product. Didelphous stamens are found in peas. When gene targeting involving gene amplification is attempted in an individual tissue to treat disease known as gene therapy. Here is the match list 1 to list 2. Here all are correct. Lenticels, exchange of gases, cork cambium, phylogens, secondary cortex, also called phyloderms, cork sovereign deposition. It is the production of gametes by the parents, formation of zygote. The F1 and F2 plant can be understood from the diagram called Punnett square. Ninth question is, which of the following is a correct sequence of steps in PCR. PCR's correct answer is denaturation, annealing, and extension. 20 number is mutation in plant cells can be induced by gamma rays. Here is the matching list 1 to list 2. Protoplast fusion called pomato, plant tissue culture, totipotency, meristem culture, virus feed plant, micropropagation, soma clones. Question number 22. During the purification process of recombinant DNA technology, addition of chilled ethanol precipitate out DNA. Complete the chart. Means DNA replication, B is the transcription. DNA forms messenger RNA through transcription, and messenger RNA through translation form proteins. Which of the following is not an application of PCR? PCR का इसमें से कौन सा application नहीं है? Means purification of isolated protein. The plant hormone used to destroy weeds in a field called 2,4-D. Match the list 1 with 2. Here is the all are correct. Cell, which active cell division capacity, meristematic tissue, tissue having all cells similar in structure and function called simple tissue, tissue having different types of circle, vascular tissue, vascular having different types of cells, dead cells with highly thickened wall and narrow lumen called sclerites. 27 number, which of the following not secondary metabolites in plant? Here is the answer will be the amino acid and glucose. 28th number, here is the matching for column 1 and column 2. Here all are correct answer. Nitrococcus, conversion of ammonia into nitrate. Rhizobium conversion of atmospheric nitrogen to ammonia. Thiobacillus, responsible for denitrification. And nitrobacter, conversion of nitrite into nitrate. Here is the 29th. DNA fingerprinting involves identifying differences in some specific region in DNA sequence called as repetitive DNA. Number 30 is the cell of medullary rays that form part of cambial ring is called interfascicular cambium. Here is the 30 questions for you, and it is very important and very important for the NEET examination. Okay, thank you.